Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Kirloskar Brothers. Our analyst maintains positive view on Kirloskar Brothers with upside potential of 19%. Kirloskar Brothers has been consistently delivering strong performance, particularly on the profitability front. It is strengthening its product portfolio and brand to cater to diverse industries to capitalize on strong demand in domestic and overseas markets. We expect a margin trajectory of low to mid double digit driven by healthy growth in revenue, stable commodity prices, and increasing share of value-added service business. The company also boasts of a healthy balance sheet with low debt, a strong cash balance, and short working capital cycle. We expect a 24% CAGR in PAT over FY23 to FY26, along with healthy FY26 ROE of 21%. Strong performance in international markets and increasing government spending in the rural economy will drive the re-rating of the stock. Currently, it trades at 18 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we cover Varun Beverages. Our analyst retains positive stance on Varun Beverages and expect upside of 15% over the next 12 months. Calendar year 23 was one of the strongest financial year for Varun Beverages, with revenues and PAT growing by 22% and 35% respectively. Volumes clocked a CAGR of 22% over calendar year 18 to 23, driven by distribution expansion and strong traction. Cash flows remain strong with OCF by EBITDA standing at 0.66 times. Cash on books increased to Rs 460 crore in calendar year 23 from Rs 285 crore in calendar year 22. Return ratios remain strong with ROE and ROC standing at 35% and 26% respectively. In calendar year 24, Varun Beverages aims to sustain its healthy growth, leveraging strategic expansion and its strong market presence. Internationally, Varun Beverages plans to improve its positioning in Africa market with the acquisition of Bevco in South Africa. Stock trades at 75 times and 60 times its calendar year 24 and calendar year 25 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.